Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
a banger. You know, today is our first day of our wing marathon. You wanted it, you're gonna get it. So what we got here for today, you want me to explain?
Are you make it today? So
Alright.
you explain, please.
First day, happy today. Here we go. You got dose of dose today. You got my Barbie fry slash RFC. So you know it's fried chicken slash barbecue fried chicken.
Even though there's some people out there trying to teeth my husband's style, RFC is originally from The Greedy Couple.
Thank you.
So even if you name it something else, it's still RFC.
Period.
Thank you.
There we
Just
go.
wanted to make a public service announcement.
There we go. When the first thing he said, that's what we got. So you want to tell them about your macaroni?
Oh, so I made some macaroni and cheese, and then we have some green beans to go with it. Because, I don't know, I feel like eating some green beans. We've had broccoli on here, corn, asparagus. What? Oh, and family, there's not going to be an outfit of the day today. But I will hook you guys up. Don't worry about it, okay?
Yeah, don't be mad. But look,
Don't be mad.
I had to taste it for y'all first, family. First they just said the fucking not gonna work for me.
Oh, you need the
middle one. Look, here. This is the mac and cheese right there. Okay.
That looks cheesy.
Take some right there. It was very cheesy. Then, Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright, I'm so piece. I don't want to get them touch a big piece, you know, because you know I'm still with my chicken. Alright, I'm gonna get them though.
Well, you better than me because I get them none.
No man, you have to give them some. I'm gonna give them the drumstick. I don't really like drumstick like that, but I'm gonna eat it. But look, get a good look of it.
You got it, baby?
Yeah, I got it. You know, I ain't gonna make this drop. Look at that, Barbie fried. There we go. All right. You hear that? And it's still crunchy. Work of heart. Wow.
When you make good food, it turns me on.
You want this napkin?
Yes.
Wow.
So that means I'm turned on all the time then.
I can't cook family. I just do my thing.
I don't know which piece I want to eat. Now I'm doing your eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Do it.
I see why you did it because they all look so good. I know this one. You switch fork.
Yeah, man.
Richie needs.
That one don't work. Now this is much better. Yes. I'm still here with Grace.
Oh.
No? I'm giving them a try still again. Good, huh?
So good. Macaroni and cheese is so good too.
This was a good idea. Wing marathon.
Wing marathon.
That air fryer do miracles.
Richie actually tried the air fryer with some of the wings. And it came out just the same.
Just the same. Now,
I wonder
what?
if it would be just the same with like a big piece of breast. Maybe not, right?
I mean, the same.
You think so?
The air fryer work good, y'all.
It does. And the good thing is that you don't have to sit there and watch it fry. You turn it on, and you go sit down.
Yeah, definitely. For this, it's a good meal. I deserve it. You see, everyone's small. Oh yes. And I'm drinking water. I do drink water, family. Sonic, I do drink water. I just don't do it on camera that much. But I do drink water a lot. Right, first lady?
Right. Listen.
I do read your comments too. Trust me, I be laughing.
Richie works in a warehouse.
Exactly, let them know.
So he has to
I drink a lot of water. That's a big safety.
drink water to stay hydrated. So he does drink a lot of water.
Yeah, I do. But I do.
But when he's at home and he's off,
I drink the black people juice. Minute Maid, you know. How are they? You don't eat a piece of chicken?
nope.
Wow. Wow. That's crazy.
Nope. You get them already. They're greedy too?
Get me your chicken. You heard it for yourself.
Happy Monday.
We do chicken right.
Oh man.
Good, right? Barbie fry, yeah. Decent. Yeah, it look good. I know. You could do it too.
You guys had a good weekend?
Yeah, excellent. I think they answer you, but we didn't hear them.
Oh, I hope so. We had a good weekend too.
I was good.
We chilled, watched movies. I did some cleaning. I didn't make any soup this Saturday, but I might make some red pea soup next week.
I should love our soup.
Right?
Yep, we got some good wings coming for y'all. No regular wings.
For real.
We got some different joint. Okay? Y'all gonna get it.
I love the taste of the Barbie fry.
Barbie fry nice, right?
It's really good.
RFC to the world.
Come on. What's that? People can follow fashion, is it?
You see me, but my Barbie fry look better.
Yeah.
No, my RFC look better.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. You know what you gotta do? When you have, you just take it as a compliment. That's all.
Oh, good. Alright. Yeah. It's good.
Good.
Whoa!
Yeah. The air fryer, I'm not gonna lie, even with flour
Yeah.
and everything, it's still fried. But it does take long though. When you're frying the wings just so. You know what heap of flour and what heap of stuff on it, you fry faster.
Yep. Well done.
But if you put in your flour and all that stuff on it, if you use buttermilk, I don't know, whatever you use. To marinate your chicken.
Your name of the greens, then you don't get no green.
And then,
And the greens, your neck, they call them.
it will take longer.
Well, it's good though. Good a lot. Thank God for that.
Yeah.
Yep. You full? Come on, mac and cheese nice, huh?
Oh, every time you do that,
Yeah.
you're talking fart.
Mac and cheese nice, man.
You can choose just bad.
Yeah, man. Water nice. Water nice, I gotta drink it twice.
Hey.
For people who don't know and they're new to the family, that's Shanice. This is Richie. We are the greedy couple. If you're there watching, might as well just subscribe.
For real.
You know what I'm saying? Stop bush watching, you know? Then you come on and say, oh, I've been watching you for a while now. I decided to, you know what I mean? Nah. If you like it,
yeah.
Join the family, join the conversation, you know?
Yeah, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
So,
okay.
I know sometimes you have to watch somebody a couple of times.
Yeah, but ain't nothing wrong with that. You know
it's okay.
What I mean?
Go watch a couple of our videos and then come back and subscribe.
Yeah, do that.
Simple.
And tell us, tell us what's going on. I say, oh, let's see. Yeah. Now I want to get them to subscribe. But we appreciate y'all watching. But if y'all do watch, at least subscribe, you know? Even if you don't want to comment, just subscribe. And then eventually, y'all will start, you know what I mean? But
we had some fun over here.
Yeah. But we appreciate y'all. All the new ones. All the day ones.
Yeah. Excuse me.
It's just us. You know what I mean? We do what we do. You know what I'm saying?
We do what we do. How about you?
How about you? Oh, you're right, man. But listen, a lot of people said if they could see us in person, trust me, we really want to. You know what I'm saying? Only if y'all know. Me?
We gotta get there first,
We
though.
gotta get there first, yeah.
Because what we have planned, what we have planned for our family members, our subscribers, that costs mucho dinero. So we gotta get there.
Yeah. Look at the cheese, that's how I like it. I'm sure that I like when first they give me cheese like
that. Yeah. So the cheese is dark?
Yes.
It's really good like that. Look, family, you see how he made sure he kept it right here?
No, I drop. I got next of it drop. But yeah, we got some stuff coming, man. One thing, stand by a word.
Ooh, excuse me.
That's one thing. No? We ain't gonna tell you no story, we don't back it up. Real talk.
Back it up. Back it up.
We got a lot of stuff in the making. Trust me. Full.
I'm full now.
I don't know what I hear. I don't know time here. Where's your food? What? Chicken nice one?
The amount of chicken, once again, I'm telling the business.
Try that one.
The amount of chicken that Richie and Tamia sampled in that kitchen. I'm surprised they're not full.
Not a bell butter.
I'm surprised. We know this. I'm surprised you could still eat as much food as he did. The amount of food that wings that Richie and Tamia sampled.
True. Gotta taste the food. You gotta taste the pot. Who don't taste their pot when they're cooking? Calm it down. Or you don't taste your pot, how you gonna know it's good?
But you had a whole meal.
Miss Gina, you know that's true. Cause when you do, you taste your food too. Stop lying. Don't lie to me, Miss Gina. I know you taste your food too.
Yo.
I know
You
that.
just be calling out the family like that?
Yeah.
Put them on the spot?
Miss Gina, I know you taste your food cause you have to, right? She gonna say yes,
You
Pastor
say,
Richie. Yes, Pastor Richie, you have to
I
taste it.
taste my food.
That's right. Everybody does. That's how you gonna know. I would taste all day and still won't be full.
Me?
Oh. Go ahead, talk.
Go ahead, my love.
Right.
When I'm cooking, I taste a little bit of my food and then I sit. Because if I keep on tasting it, by the time I sit down here, I won't have an appetite.
Not me. My appetite is there. It's the food for me. I know she gonna be full. See? I'm back. Don't talk with my mouth full. Somebody said don't talk with my mouth full. And I never seen her come back. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
What the president? It's a mukbang, we're supposed to talk. You just don't talk. I like to talk.
Yeah, it's hard to...
Yeah,
but
you gotta talk. Well,
you gotta understand. You know, it's hard to... Every once in a while you're gonna see food, but we're just, listen to me.
Exactly.
We would try to like say, okay, Richie eats how he eats and I eat how I eat. We're two different people, okay? We're not twins. And I don't want it to be like that, 'cause you know what I mean? So, I always eat with my mouth closed. That's just me. Richie eats how he eats. But at the end of the day, he would try to like say, okay, I'm gonna not. But then it's like he starts to feel uncomfortable and he can't be himself. Exactly. So then he starts being himself.
I have my food because some eat in real life. I mean, not fake the thing, so I eat my food. So
you're not gonna translate because they don't understand that enough.
I said, that's how I eat in real life, so I'm gonna eat my food. That's just me. I'm telling you. Whenever y'all see or people that know us, they could comment down and tell you that's how I am.
Yeah.
I'm not forcing no food up. I eat what I eat. This is what I eat.
And that's how he eats.
Yeah, that's what I eat.
So
I ain't gonna pretty everything. What I look like? Victoria's Secret. Don't want to be Victoria's Secret. Before first lady. Oh, let me talking. Hold on.
My boss.
Transformation. Pastor Richie in the building, aka for the family time, aka first lady time. I got one for y'all today. Yeah, this one first lady. Y'all ready? Family ready? First lady, I drink so she can't say it. Family ready?
I'm ready.
All right. See, she knows the part is. Okay. All right, family. Fools take a knife and stab people in the back. The wise take a knife and cut the cord and free themselves from the fools.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
I got them coming. Listen to me again. Fools take a knife and stab people in the back. The wise take a knife, cut the cord, and free themselves from the fools.
Bam.
Think about it, put it in your own word. There's no right or wrong. If you feel like coming and let me know, say, yo, Pastor Richie, you know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start testing you. I'm gonna give you a quiz again. I'm gonna start asking you a question. Because y'all don't know. Every time I wait to the end, I'm gonna switch it up on y'all now.
Last time you asked them, tell me what I said for the word of wisdom.
They sure tell me that crap.
A lot of them sure did.
Yo.
And a lot of them said, listen to me, it's too long.
Yeah.
But I know what you said.
Yeah, yo, I frightened your freak.
And it was like it was like 8 minutes into the video, so it wasn't at the end like it normally is. You understand?
Listen to this one. You see that's still crunchy.
That was the air fryer one?
No.
I mean, see, I think that was.
All them. That's the wing. That's the wing part. You know wing part.
That was the air fryer one.
Look up.
Yeah, I can taste it.
Oh yeah, taste different.
Yeah.
Nice. So there.
Yeah.
Bite the part I didn't bite here. Yeah. See that one?
Yeah.
Good.
That's the air fryer.
Don't worry. First lady gonna take into Miss Ching to do my nails and stuff. Give me a manicure, pedicure. Don't worry.
What chin?
Miss Chin, man.
We're not bringing to the old man.
You're not bringing Miss Chin, man.
Crazy. We go right in the house and I do your nails.
I'm going Miss Chin. I need my one thing. I'm Hollywood now, so be careful.
Oh, God, Jesus.
All right. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Thanks for coming to the show with us. We are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. And you guys will not believe what kind of wings we have for you tomorrow. Don't miss it. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang wing edition.
Wing edition. Yes. That's what we said.
Bye.